How are you today?
Good. I'll do a venti iced cherry chai. That's it.
Sounds good. Good day to you.
Thank you. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. It's been like a million years since I've done a Saturday vlog, just purely because one, I haven't done anything exciting, and two, the weather has been terrible. But I just finished up yoga. Here's a little clip. We were working on bow and then back bends. And the nice thing about this class, I've said it before, it's not heated, so I feel like I can go after class and I don't have to worry about being smelly, because one, I'm not really a sweater, and two, an 80-degree class is like absolutely perfect. Like, I'm barely even breathing hard. It's wonderful. I wish more yoga classes at my studio were unheated. Most of them are like the 90 degrees, and I don't like being a sweaty mess. But we got our Starbucks, we're waiting in our line. We're gonna head over to Ross and TJ Maxx, and then I think we're gonna stop at Target because there was a couple things in the plant section that I wanted to look at. My pea plants are starting to get out of control in their little starter things, but it's still below freezing here, so I can't just pop them in the ground. So I need something a little bit bigger, and I have starter trays from like plants that I bought last year that I have sitting in the garage, but I don't think they're quite big enough for the peas at this point. So we're gonna go over to Starbucks and then we'll go to Ross. I wish I had small feet, because the cute stuff is always in the small people sizes. Like those. And those. I wear those. And my size is always just like basic and boring. Beyond Yoga, great brand, but like, ugh, boring color. I'm like, what in the world is this? It looks like bad underwear. The cherry chai is so good. And I'm pretty good at replicating it at home, but the Starbucks one just has a little something extra, so I really enjoy getting it once or twice a week, even though I can make it pretty close at home. It's a good thing that there isn't a Starbucks close to me, let's just say that. I only got the little red, white, tie-dye American Nike tank top. We do a lot of theme days at my yoga studio, and Memorial Day, 4th of July, they usually have a Star Spangled Banner theme with patriotic music. Those are super fun. This time of year at Ross, I always go and look in the men's section for jerseys. Last year this time I got a Breanna Stewart Team USA basketball jersey, and there's so many players from Unrivaled and WNBA that I love watching, and I would love to get my hands on their jersey or like a t-shirt, but I'm not paying those online prices, so I just keep hoping that one day I'll get lucky and I'll get some. I always get the WNBA subscription, so I can watch every single game, so I definitely have like favorites, like Caitlin Clark, come on, she's amazing. You know, Alicia Gray is hilarious, Angel Reese is great, Camila Cardoso like spikes over the top of everyone, like spiking basketballs, defending that net, love it. But yes, always on the hunt for jerseys. But now we're at TJ Maxx. I'm looking for some like cleaning type cloths, and TJ Maxx always has that kind of stuff. I didn't wear these shorts to yoga, I wore different bottoms, but it's a high 55 today. That's pretty nice as long as the wind doesn't hit you. When the wind hits, that's a little chilly for shorts. I think I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna try these out too. Okay, I'm assuming these are for like Teacher Appreciation Week. Be honest, I rarely get gifts, so if I see something cute, I gotta get for myself. Straw caps, so cute. Like, I don't know anyone that wants a teacher neck wrap or neck pillow, so FYI, don't get that for your future teacher people. My cart is just like literally randomness. So this is my current plant setup situation. I'm very good at growing dirt, apparently. You can see peas are going well too. Everything else, I think I planted these about a week ago, so we've got a bit to go. I do have a tray right there. Those are, I literally cannot remember what they're called, but I have a tray of those out there, and those are all perennials. And they're really, really small. And I have a couple other little perennials up here in the front too, but a lot of planting to be done. So it'd be nice if my little dirt piles would do something. But I do need to plant my peas into bigger pots. And I have quite the assortment of plants that I want to plant. It's just too cold. Here's everything I bought at the store, so I need to unpack that stuff. There's some plant stuff in here. I tell you, my living room is the most unappealing part of the house because there's no overhead light, so I'm barely in here. I've got my treadmill just sitting here. I haven't found a TV stand that I'm happy with, so I just leave this room as my treadmill room. This is a shoe cabinet that my dad built for me that I need to bring upstairs, but I want to rearrange the room up there too before I do that. So anyways, welcome to the ugly room. I showed you what I got at Ross. I didn't show you what I got at TJ Maxx. I mean, I kind of did like in an overview. So I bought Cheyenne another little cat bowl dish. This one's kind of like a rainbow holographic. It's a ceramic elevated bowl for $6.99. $5.99 cleaning cloths. $5.99 cleaning cloths. This is like the Lululemon dupe. Funny thing is it's Danskin brand, which used to be in Walmart before Walmart got rid of that brand and sold it to somebody else. But it's like the Lululemon scuba dupe. I don't own anything Lululemon actually. I just know that because a couple of my coworkers have them. That Wicked lip balm I was showing you. It's clear, thank goodness. I wouldn't want to have green lip anything. That's not a look for me. Target, I literally went for tomatoes and to look at the plant stuff and I left with a lot more, but I'm not surprised. I really have been less of an impulsive shopper, and I don't know if that just means I'm becoming more of an adult or I just have everything I could possibly need, and that's probably it. So I needed more big straws. So these are glitter straws. So it's pink, yellow, and blue. And then I was talking about the little straw covers. So these are an apple and an owl. And then these are like Easter themed ones. So I figured these are cute enough that would match some of my Easter outfits that I wear teaching. And then these are portulaca. I think on the side of our house, I had a couple of these that I bought. I think you got like 4 of them for $1.50. They were on clearance. Normally they're $3 for 4 of the little plants. And I bought a bunch of them when they were on clearance because I was like, oh, they're just gonna throw these plants away. Like I should buy them and use them. Little did I know that they're like impossible to kill. They're easy to grow. They poof out really good. And they basically were blooming the entire summer. I think I planted them like middle of June. So I really wanted to plant some of these in that same spot. But hopefully save some money and get even more by buying seed packets. So I paid $1.69 for a packet of seeds to get, you know, like 300 flowers. So I want to plant those too. Problem is I'm like running out of surface area to put my plants because I only have 1 grow light down here. And I don't want to be buying more grow lights when I know I'll be able to be putting my plants outside very, very soon. And I know it's a thing that you can definitely kill your plants by growing them way too soon and they die before they go outside. Target brand disinfecting wipes. I prefer using like a lot of reusable things, but like if I'm cleaning up cat puke, I want something I'm throwing away. I saw someone on TikTok talking about this. There's a terrible spill on our stove from me spilling tomato soup and it like boiled over. So I'm hoping that'll help, Mr. Myers. Walmart doesn't have a great selection of the Vertuo style Nespresso. Whenever I'm at Target, I make sure to grab some more Nespresso pods. I'm obsessed with the iced cherry chai. And that's the Tazo brand, that chai I use. But I saw that they had this too. That's something that Walmart doesn't have. It's an iced passion fruit tea, and you can get the passion fruit refresher at Starbucks. So I'm sure it's just a matter of like adding lemonade or water to it, which is great. I love drinks like that. I love the sparkling ice in green, and randomly Walmart does not sell the green flavor, which is annoying. We have like all the other weird flavors, but not the green, which is like the classic. And then I want to do BLTs for dinner, so I just bought cherry tomatoes and I bought some strawberries. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff away and then let's get planting. Can we attract a wild Cheyenne? No, she's just sitting over there. So I have this green mat I got offline. So that's what I like to plant on because I'm a wimp and it's cold outside still. I have 3 different kinds of dirt in here because I have orchids, I have cactuses and succulents, and then I have normal soil, but I also have another bag of soil outside. So I'm not going to video myself because I make many, many mistakes. I'll show you the after. Okay, done. Hooray. Put the grow light back on these little friends. This is kind of like a little experiment because the last one I had just had 2 plastic things, so it actually had the like moisture cover. So we'll see how this one fares without the moisture cover on top of it. And I did an entire packet of those portulaca, you know, that stuff. Because then if it doesn't work out, I still have another pack.